guys, hold that thought, hold on, my lips are a little chapped. So yeah, it's my birthday. Go me, go me. So it's my birthday. I'm so hype. I am actually 28 if you guys didn't know. Yes, I'm old. I'm not even gonna chit chat with y'all. I'm gonna just get right into it. I'm gonna be doing my 28 birthday makeup look. So let's go, let's go, let's go. So I've been on this like golden kind of vibe. I don't like too much glitter, but I've been kind of feeling in the sparkly glitter kind of thing, as you can see from my birthday nails. Birthday nails. Oh, you can't tell. Hold on, can you see? You can't see because of the lighting, but my nails are like super glittery, golden, something, something. Boom. So let's get started. I have already done my brows, and I already prime or I set my lids. So the first one that I'll be using is from Wander Beauty. It's their Wanderous Off Duty palette. This cutie right here. And this has a lot of like brown sparkly shades. I don't know if you can tell from the lighting. My box of crayons palette. So excited. First thing I'm going to do is add a transition color. If I can find the correct brush to use. Alright, transition color. So, what am I feeling? You can see it right there. So I'm gonna just use that just to like kind of set a base for my lids. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the brown colors first, because I kind of like these sparkly colors that's in the Wander Beauty palette, but I do want to get this dark brown in the corners. So what do I want to do? First I'm going to add a tan. That's what I'm going to do. The tan from the box of crayons palette, and then I'm going to go in with this. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and close this palette for now, and I am going to grab the Wander Beauty palette and go in with those dark shades there. Now it's Desert Sand in the Wander Beauty palette. So let's add the primer potion, and I'm just gonna put enough right in the center, and then I'm just going to use my hands to kind of work it in there. I think I took too much, so I'm just gonna add some of it from the other side over here. Alright, there we go. So I made the crease. And I'm just gonna add some more of the potion until it's like pretty much filled in the center. Alright, so now that I've gone ahead and I've added my primer potion, I'm going back into the box of crayons palette, and I'm going to use the color Gold. And now I'm just gonna go back in and add some more of the brown to the sides. Perfect! Yay! Okay, so next steps now. so I went ahead and I added my concealer, my foundation, and then set my face with my setting powder. So just to comment a little backtrack on the stuff that I did, I've been doing this new method now of doing my concealer first and then putting my foundation. Before, I would always do my foundation and then my concealer, but I kind of like doing it the opposite way now with the concealer first, because I feel like my face just looks really nice and flawless when I do it that way. Also, I don't know if you noticed that when I put the setting powder, I didn't fan it away this time. Normally I would fan it away, but this time I just pressed it into the skin because I really want to have like that super mattified look. So the setting powder is really just going to stay in place for whatever amount of hours. So I kind of just pressed it in a bit until it fully disappeared. So just want to share that with you guys. So now for the contour, I'm just going to go back in with my RayeRaye palette, and I am going to be using Mocha. That is the other shade for contouring. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with bronze. It's NYX. So I actually forgot to go back in underneath my waterline. I'm gonna go back with the Wander Beauty palette and just use, what am I feeling? I'm gonna use Sunkissed, and then probably mix it with Desert Island just to give it that darker effect too. Now for, Jesus Lord. So now for the highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, since I am going for this golden look, and then I should be almost finished. So now the last thing that I'm going to do is add some lipstick, and I'm going to be using my Pixi by Petra matte lipstick, and it's in orange red. And there you guys have it, my super glowy and super cute birthday look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in on my birthday. And until next year, I'll see you for another birthday video inspired makeup look. All the info on the products I use in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. But until next time, guys, peace.